I congratulate the International Solar Alliance for this wonderful initiative. Friends, the Vedas were texts composed thousands of years ago. One of the most popular mantras of the Vedas is about the sun. Even today, millions of Indians chant it daily. Many cultures across the world have respected the sun in their own ways. Most regions also have festivals related to the sun. This International Solar Festival brings the whole world together to celebrate the sun's impact. This is a festival that will help us build a better planet. Friends, in 2015, the ISA began as a small sapling. It was a moment of hope and aspiration. Today, it is growing into giant tree, inspiring policy and action. In such a short time, the membership of ISA has reached a milestone of 100 countries. Additionally, 19 more countries are ratifying the framework agreement for attaining full membership. The growth of this organization is important for the vision of one world, one sun, one grid. Friends, in the past few years, India has taken many massive strides in green energy. We were the first G20 nation to achieve the Paris commitments in renewable energy. The remarkable growth of solar energy is key reason in making this possible. Our solar energy capacity has increased 32-fold in the last 10 years. This speed and scale will also help us achieve 500 gigawatt non-fossil capacity by 2030. Friends, India's growth in the solar sector is the result of a clear approach. Whether in India or in the world, the mantra to increase solar adoption is awareness, availability, and affordability. We increase awareness about the need of sustainable energy sources by encouraging domestic manufacturing. In the solar sector, we increase availability. Through specific schemes and incentives, we also made the solar option affordable. Friends, ISA is an ideal platform for exchanging ideas and best practices for solar adoption. India has a lot to share as well. Let me give you an example for a recent policy intervention. A few months ago, we launched the PM Suryagar Muft Bijli Yojana. We are investing rupees 750 billion in this scheme. Our target is to help 10 million households to install their own rooftop solar panels. We are transferring financial assistance directly to the people's bank account. Low interest, collateral free loans are also being enabled in case additional finance is needed. Now, these households are generating clean electricity for their needs. Moreover, they will also be able to sell excess power to the grid and earn money. Due to the incentives and potential